What if your next smartphone lets you replace the battery yourself in seconds without losing water resistance? That's exactly what the new Volla Phone Plinius is offering. Built in Germany and designed around privacy, this device takes a very different approach compared to mainstream smartphones. No Google services, no background tracking, and even AI that works entirely on device. In a market dominated by cloud ecosystems, this might be one of the most independent smartphones we've seen in years.
At first glance, the Volla Phone Plinius doesn't look like a rugged device at all. Instead, it presents itself as a clean, professional smartphone with a slim and modern design. But underneath that minimal exterior, it still retains durability, including resistance to water and dust. This combination is unusual, blending the reliability of a rugged phone with the elegance of a business device.
The display focuses on balance rather than extremes. It features a 6.67-inch OLED panel with adaptive refresh rate from 60 to 120 Hz. This allows smooth scrolling when needed, while saving power during lighter tasks. With brightness up to 1000 nits, it remains clearly visible in most conditions. It's a practical display, designed for everyday comfort. The phone is powered by a 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, offering a balance between performance and efficiency. It supports 5G and handles everyday tasks smoothly, including multitasking and demanding applications. Rather than focusing on raw power, the device prioritizes stable and efficient performance. The battery is one of the most unique aspects. With 5,300 mAh capacity, it provides strong endurance. But more importantly, it can be replaced manually in seconds using a simple screwdriver. Even with this feature, the phone maintains water resistance. This level of repairability is extremely rare in modern smartphones. The camera system includes a 64-megapixel main sensor and an ultra-wide lens. It's designed to deliver consistent results across different scenarios, rather than focusing on extreme specifications. This makes it reliable for everyday photography. Privacy is the core of the Volla phone. It runs Volla OS without Google services, meaning no tracking or unnecessary background data collection. It also includes a secure browser and built-in VPN, giving users full control over their digital environment. AI features are implemented differently here. Instead of relying on cloud processing, all AI functions operate locally on the device. This allows image optimization and system improvements without sending personal data to external servers. The Plus version offers more memory and storage, along with modular expansion through Pogo pin connectors. This allows users to attach additional hardware, making the device more flexible for professional use. Starting at around €598, the Volla Phone Plinius offers a unique alternative in today's market. It focuses on privacy, control, and long-term usability. While it may not be for everyone, it represents a different vision of what a smartphone can be.